Hello everyone, welcome back to my egg world. Today we are going to show you how to create this cute Halloween ghost Kawaii Garland. Let's get started! Same as our last video, there will be a free template available on our website sunnyeggcrafts.com. You can find it in free printable section. And now we are going to use an A4 paper for this project. So firstly, we fold the paper in half just like how I'm showing you on this video. You can peel it off like how I did or just cut it out with the scissors. Then we fold it in half towards the right. Then we fold it in half again back towards the left. Flip it over and do the same for the other side. Then we start the drawing. If you'd like to create a big ghost Kawaii garland, you may need larger paper for it. If you want your garland to be longer, you just need some sticky tape and simply join both ends together. Easy peasy, right? You may also use the template which we provided and create your very own spooky or kawaii faces. Fill it with your favorite color. And now we are going to follow the outline and cut out the shape. Ta-da! So now we can open it up, continue our drawing with the same kawaii face, and our beautiful ghost Kawaii garland is done. And now here's the very short clip on how to draw our character today, Ghost Kawaii. If you found it difficult to follow, don't forget we learned how to change the video speed. Simply click onto the setting icon and hit 0.25 or 0.5. Or you can play and pause for each step. So once you are ready, and hit play again and watch the next step. We hope you all enjoy our video, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and visit Sunny Egg Crafts to get your free templates, and we'll see you all again on our next video. Thank you.